Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to set data warning on Samsung. So if you use a Samsung Galaxy phone and you want to set a data warning on your Samsung phone so that each time you are close to your data limit, you'll be notified. Then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to set data warning on Samsung, all you need to do is go ahead and open your Samsung phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on connections. Now, under connections, go ahead and click on data usage. Once you selected data usage, you want to turn on mobile data. Now, once mobile data is turned on, scroll down, locate and click on billing cycle and data warning. So this depends on the SIM you want to turn on data warning on your Samsung. Once you click on that, then you should say set data warning, and then click on data warning. Now go ahead and set your data warning. Click on this drop menu. If you want to set in gigabyte or in megabyte, select it. And then go ahead and click on set. Once you hit the set button, then you can also set data limit. Mobile data will be paused when the specified limit is reached. Then come here and set your data limit. So if you're on a metered data, you can just come here and set it to any limit you want. You can choose between megabyte and then gigabyte. Click on set, and I should say data warning is set to the same value as data limit, and then you're good. So that's exactly how to set data warning or data limit in Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.